In this video, we're going to go over how to convert your Graco SlimFit to a booster seat. Now, what I first need you to do is to go ahead and store the harness. So we'll first loosen the harness straps as much as possible, as you can see right here. And then go ahead and raise that headrest to the highest position, okay? So this is how you raise it. This is how you loosen the harness straps. This is how you raise the headrest. And then what you need to go ahead and do is unbuckle the chest clip, okay? And buckle. So unbuckle both of them. This is a C and D, so this is the chest clip, and this is the buckle. So unbuckle them. Then what we need you to do is to go ahead and remove the lower seat pad. So remove that. And what will happen is that you will expose the harness storage door, okay? So as you can see, it is now getting exposed. It is right here, exposed right now, right? Now you want to do is unbuckle and move this buckle strap to the rear slot. As you can see right here. Once you move that, open the harness storage door and place the harness, the chest clip, buckle, and buckle tongues inside the storage compartment. And then just go ahead and close the door, okay? Now what you can do is just move the headrest back to its proper position for your child to replace the seat pad. And if you want, you can also go ahead and recline the car seat. So you'll find the positioning right here. You can go ahead and pull on that like this and then replace, the booster seat in the recline position as well. So if you found this guide helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Find Your Solution.